as you all know, I'm here, like I used to say, to give you all the creativity that I have in stock for myself and probably to share with you all. So today I'm just going to do something, to help people who are finding it difficult to carve their brows and all sort of. So I'm just going to give you a little way to actually do your brows and still look beautiful without trimming your brows or even without carving like the makeup artist. So I would list the things we're going to be needing. First of all will be a brow tamer or a hair wax or edge control, whatever it is that you can lay your hands on. So for me, I'm going to be using this hair wax, and then your brow pencil and your concealer, and that's all. So let's go into how the process is going to be. I promise you're going to really enjoy this because it's so going to be so easy for you to go with your day-to-day brows and all without breaking the bank. Yeah, so first thing first, you'd need a brow brush. I usually use this that comes with my pencil, but if you can get a brow brush, if you can get a brow brush, like they're the ones that come alone with just the brow brush, but this one came with a pencil from Ushers. Actually, you can get it, and then you just dig it into your brow tamer like this, just a little bit, not so much, and you start taming your brows up in upward direction as I am doing. So just tame it upward, after which you go in with your your concealer, you go with your concealer. And yeah, I'm going to be using this concealer. I don't know who made it, but so I'm just gonna go in like there. Just trace your brows like that. After that, we're going to be moving in with our pencil, which is going to come in this upward direction like this, to trace back our brows. You fill up your brows just like this. Just a little. After which you come up again a little. Moving in with my concealer, now we go this way. If possible, you can clean up your concealer. You can either use your flat brush, or if you have something that comes like this, it's actually very nice. So I'm just going to be using this. So I clean out my brush like that, and then we define. That's it. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm just going to do the other parts in the normal way we draw the brows to compare whichever you feel is going to be more comfortable for you to try out. So we're going to be doing this is the easier way, and I'm going to be doing the normal way every makeup artist and every other person does it. I'm just trying to I just wanted to try this out to see if it's going to work or something, but I feel like it's going to work. But let's try and see if it's going to work on the other side using the other way, and whichever that's going to look good and all. case you want to know how I draw my brows, you can check my other videos down below. Link is down below. So okay, so now I'm just going to be like going into the blending. As you can see the difference, like this is looking like artificial, was looking more natural, I guess. I'm sorry about to take the light, so I'm actually right now on a ring light that is just not bright enough, you know, on a 12 inches ring light right now, so pardon the quality of the video. So this is it. This is a finished look. So whichever you prefer and whichever method you want to use, just know that you're fine. You're fine on any other, but I feel like this is more simpler and this is more natural. Like anyone, I prefer both. Actually, I can pick between. So kindly tell me how you feel in the section below, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're a new timer here. I celebrate you, but please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you are interested, like if you find this video interesting. Alright, so thank you for coming. Sorry, thank you for watching. Yeah, and hope to see you next time.